Hi everyone, this is USMC Marine Sniper. We're just going to do a video today on the shooting test of the CYMA ak-47 fully electric AEG. It's full metal with the metal gearbox. So this is 50 feet. We're using .20 gram BBs. There's a can right there. This is 50 feet. We're gonna shoot the can right there. Okay, that was hitting really fairly nice, so I mean this gun's got a lot of power too. Now that orange thing right there is at 75 feet. From here to that orange thing, 75 feet. Holy crap. Okay, that is doing pretty good. That's about it. Well, so 75 feet, you're doing real good. You'll definitely hit a human-sized target. I mean, this gun for $100 off of, where did we get it at? Airsoft Megastore?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, Airsoft Megastore was $110. Really good deal, full metal. But anyways, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys next time.